Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Trader Joe's grocery haul. So if you want to see what I grabbed for the week, check out the video. Hey guys, so we're back from Trader Joe's and I have a really good haul here of everything that I intend to eat during the week. So I'm going to show you what I got. So the first things first, I'm going to be making my breaded chicken nuggets that I have a recipe on in my library here. You could check it out where I use a fueling and I use it as breadcrumbs. So I got 2 packs of this chicken tenders. Got myself some salmon. Scallops. It's going to be a very fishy week, if you know what I mean. And then I grabbed some of this. Now, I know a lot of you complain about tilapia because it's like a bottom feeder fish, but I like it and I'm gonna have it. And it's light, right? These are like leanest things. All right, so the next thing I got was a pack of burgers. Now, this is 80-20, so it's not ideal for our plan, but if I have one of these burgers, it's going to give me that additional fat that sometimes I feel like my body needs. Sometimes I feel like I go a little bit too low fat, but that's part of the plan. So that's what I got. And then on the days where I want a leaner beef, I got this 96% lean. This is the only place that I can find 96% lean ground beef. Then I grabbed 2 packages of this. Sorry about that ring light reflection. I'm sorry. But it's 99% lean ground turkey breast. I got 2 of them. Thinking of making either turkey burgers, meatballs, meatloaf, something out of that. And then for something on the go, like if I'm not in the mood to cook, I already have cooked chicken. These are the grilled chicken strips. Here's what it looks like. They're already cooked. All you have to do is heat them up, but I don't even do that. I just chop them up, put them on top of a salad, and I'm good to go. Another thing, if you're in the mood to not cook, this is a great substitute for a protein. It's a turkey breast by Applegate. No antibiotics, no crazy ingredients, just some turkey. So chop this up, throw it on top of a salad, and you're good to go. Also, when you make those little buns that I make that I have highlighted in my stories on Instagram, you can take a slice of this, a little bit of tomato, lettuce, and make yourself a sandwich. All right, another protein that I discovered that I absolutely love on, again, a day where you're not into like chopping and cooking and all that other stuff, are the mahi mahi burgers. Apparently 2 of these are considered your lean. So what I like to do if I'm gonna do this on a day, I will split it. So I'll have 1 burger early in the day and another one later in the day. And it's so filling. You can make it with a veggie or you could put it on that, again, that bagel recipe I have. Makes a really good treat and I love them. They're just a little salty though for me, but it's okay. So if you're having a weigh-in, don't eat this the night before. Sodium is like 330 milligrams. So quite high for me. I retain water like crazy. So again, I would not eat this the night before weigh-in. All right, another thing that I absolutely love and I eat it a lot is the riced cauliflower. I mean, that's a given, right? You can add Laughing Cow and make a risotto. You can use soy sauce and make fried rice. There's so many things you can do with this. So you can add this to ground turkey and make meatballs, stuffed cabbage. Sky's the limit, but I love this brand. From the cheese department, this is a great, if you're making the zoodles with the little turkey meatballs, a little bit of this shaved Romano and Parmesan is really good because it's an aged cheese. So that means that the fat and everything is quite low. So you get, for 1 tablespoon of this, 20 calories and 1.5 grams fat and 0 carbs. So it's kind of like a condiment, right? There's another one, 20 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, no carb. It's just grated Parmesan. Sprinkle that on top of your zoodles, your hearts of palm marinara. So good. All right, guys, another thing that I love, but you have to be so careful with this. This is like calorie dense food. Be very careful because the fat in these are very high, but raw. Keyword, raw pecan halves. You can have a couple, like 3, on top of your chocolate brownie with a little bit of Walden Farm syrup or fat-free whipped cream, sugar-free whipped cream, whichever you choose, regular whipped cream. It's all allowed on plan. If you take 3 of these and chop them up and sprinkle them, you have a little bit of a crunchy texture. But the carbs are very low. 5 carbs and you've got 3 fibers. So technically, if you're counting carbs, this is 2 net grams. And that's for a full 1/3 of a cup. So if you have 3 of these, it's barely anything, but it gives you that crunch that so many of us look for sometimes. So raw pecan halves. All right, moving on to veggies. White button mushrooms. These are great. I don't even have to tell you what for, because we all know what mushrooms are for, right? And then to go with that already prepared chicken strips, I got a bag of salad mix. And to go with the scallops, I was thinking of doing like a stir fry with some of that riced cauliflower, and I got 2 bags of baby bok choy. This stuff is delicious. Very low carb, like the lowest carb veggie you'll find baby bok choy. I think they call it Chinese cabbage. Absolutely wonderful with some soy sauce, low sodium, of course, that's what I use. And you can stir fry this up with the mushrooms and maybe some asparagus and some shrimp, scallops, what have you. But if you've never tried this, I suggest it. It's really, really good. And that is everything I got from Trader Joe's that would fit into our plan. Got a lot of other stuff that doesn't for Jess and Britt, but that's my food for the week. Obviously, I'm sure anybody in my household can dive into it, but primarily that's what I'll be eating all week. So I hope you liked my little grocery haul. If you did, leave a comment, a thumbs up, subscribe. And as I like to say at the end of every video, we can do this.
Yes, we can.
As long as we do it together. Have a good night, guys. See you in the next video.